Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am showing you how to get Google Gemini Business free for 30 days with full access to Gemini 3 Pro and Nano Banana Pro. Let us jump straight in. First, copy the link from my Telegram channel. After copying it, open your browser and paste the link there. Now click on the button that says Get Started. After that, select Start 30 Days Free Trial. Here you need to enter the Google account where you want the trial to be activated. Next, type your business name. It will take a few seconds to load, and then the setup is complete. If you want, you can also add up to 15 team members to your workspace. This is optional but helpful if you work with a team. Inside the dashboard, you will now see Gemini 3 Pro and Nano Banana Pro available with unlimited usage. You can create videos, images, content, and more. Let us try creating a video. Simply paste your prompt, wait for a few seconds, and your video will be ready. The audio did not record in my screenshot, but that is fine for this demo. Now let us generate an image using Nano Banana Pro. Enter your prompt, give it a moment, and your image will be ready with high quality output. You now have 30 days of unlimited video and image creation. Before you go, hit subscribe, smash the like button, and I will see you in the next video.